My name is Dr. Rosalind Juergens. I am here as the Medical Advisory Chair for Lung Cancer Canada. I'm so excited that this is just step one in our partnership with AstraZeneca and the Lung Ambition Alliance. This is the first year of several years that we are going to be continuing to offer these awards. Lung Cancer Canada historically has been involved in patient education, patient outreach, and patient support. We've always had a bit of research as part of our portfolio, but the voice of the patient said that they wanted us to do more.
My name's Mark Zarenda. I'm in the AstraZeneca Medical Affairs Department in Canada. I lead our lung cancer team and I'm also head of our external alliances. Lung cancer is one of the most diagnosed cancers in Canada, and the 5-year survival rate is much lower than cancers such as breast or prostate.
If we ever want to move the needle in improving the survival of this disease, we have to continue to invest. First, we need to focus on early detection. The earlier we diagnose lung cancer, the more likely we're actually able to cure it. Second, we need to look at equity, diversity, and inclusivity. We want to make sure the research that we're doing actually is able to impact all lung cancer patients. We want quality. We want patients to be diagnosed faster. We want patients to get access to treatment sooner. We want that care to be personalized. And I think those are critical criteria for moving that needle on survival of lung cancer as a whole.
Our bold vision is to one day eliminate lung cancer as a cause of death, and this can only be achieved by working with patient groups.
Can't wait to see what next group of innovative grants come our way.